Hello, I'm Vishwa Gulati and welcome to Flipkart. Today I will be reviewing the Bosch 20164 IN 7 kg washing machine. It is a commonly acclaimed fact that German engineering is the best in the world. And Bosch is a true blue German company which is known for its innovations, quality, robust build, aesthetics and user-friendly products. And this washing machine right here is no exception. So let's understand all its features in detail one by one. It comes equipped with a strong housing, superior finish, LED display and fully electronic control dial for all wash and special programs. This express wash range from Bosch lets you complete all the wash programs in less than 60 minutes, and that too without compromising on the wash quality. So you get more time to do things that you love. Moving on, the standout feature of this Bosch washing machine is the Vario drum. A specially designed stainless steel drum which protects your delicate clothes and fine fabrics. It has the biggest drum in the similar capacity segment which ensures a deep clean with its wave droplet design. And at the same time, it is gentle with your clothes. Let's check it out. The anti-vibration design of the sidewalls makes the Bosch washing machine extremely quiet. It reduces vibration and ensures greater stability so that you can do your washing without disturbing your loved ones. It also has the distinction of being the only brand to have 3 suspensions for better stability. Bosch also does its part to preserve water with the Active Water feature, an intelligent feature that adjusts the water level by sensing not just the amount of load, but also the type of fabric and uses optimum amount of water for every wash, thereby saving both water and energy. Since not all the laundry requires a heavy-duty wash, the Bosch washing machine has a super quick 15 to 30 program, a convenient wash cycle for freshening up lightly soiled laundry in only 15 to 20 minutes. Let's check it out. The reload feature allows the user to add or remove clothes in the middle of the washing process. Designed specially to deal with fluctuations and interruptions in power supply, Volt Check not only features as an indicator that blinks whenever it happens, but also automatically resumes the wash from the last cycle when stable power becomes available again. Bosch is serious in its endeavor to provide long-lasting products, and to this end is the only one in the industry to provide steel bottom plate instead of plastic rat mesh, thus preventing damage from pests by keeping them away from the hardware. Energy efficiency is the top priority for Bosch, and on selecting the Eco Perfect option, the washing machine settles into an eco-friendly mode, thereby reducing energy consumption by up to 50%. Bosch machine comes with the external water filter as a standard feature. It purifies water and hence prevents the machine from choking. It also increases the solubility of the detergent to give the best washing results, and at the same time protects the machine from damage due to impurities in the water. Also, the washing machine works on low water pressure of 0.3 bar, ideal for places where water pressure is an issue. To emphasize the confidence Bosch has in its products, it offers warranty of 2 years on the machine and 10 years on the motor. So my final word, the Bosch washing machine comes with the impeccable backing of German engineering, which in itself should suffice to satisfy the most discerning customers. And innovative features like the Express Wash, Vario drum with wave droplet design and the Eco Perfect option serves to strengthen that sentiment. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family, sit back and relax while we bring to you quick doorstep delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo and a short brand warranty. Thanks a lot for watching and have a perfect buy.